Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a Echo Park haul for you. I bought some stuff during a warehouse sale that they had recently, so let's go ahead and check the goodies that I was able to get. So in your package you usually get some advertisements and some brand new stuff from different people. So you got that. They got those in there. They also in your box always put a little magazine in there so that you could go ahead and see what they have in certain collections and whatnot. Those are actually pretty nice and even get some ideas. This side. Now this warehouse sale was during the time when they had a lot of washi tape for like, I think it was $2. So the first one I got was this orange one, and this is what the washi tape looks like, which is the orange with yellow polka dots. Look at that. Like I said, these were just $2, so I stocked up on some of the washi tape. The next one is this flower one. That, like I said, for $2, and for that amount, you can't beat that. So I got that one. I did get some winter Christmas, and this is a blue, and it had the little, they have 5 little washi tapes connected to it. So you got the different color of blue all the way to the silver. I think that is so cute. Look at that. Look at the glitter. I got that. Actually, I got 2 of those. Sometimes I don't remember putting 2. The next one I have is the Christmas one, and it does have the Christmas colors to it. So I got that one. And I believe all of these were $2. Let me see. Yeah, washi tape was $2. And then this one is another Christmas one, and it is the red with gold stars. Look at that. And then I got the plain black one. I got that so I could do for Halloween. And then I did get the peppermint candy stripe. Look at that. And for washi, this $2 is a great deal. Not even on Temu, it costs more than that, and you get little. You don't get a lot. And then I got a flower one for spring. And then the last washi I got was for Christmas is the snowflake. So yeah, I got all of those, which I am excited. Next thing I hauled was the Be Mine paper pad, which I don't have in my stash. So let me go ahead and show you this one. I love Valentine's Day. Oh, look at that. The flowers. You do get, so it's double-sided. You get the red here. You do get the cut-aparts. Look at that. And these ones you get, how many? 24 double-sided. Okay. You get that one. Then you got the stripes. And then you do got the stamps. Love, love, love. Look at that. Perfume bottles. Look at that. Yeah, so this is a real nice paper pad. Real nice. I love it. Then we got the black and white. Oh, I love this. I'm going to have to get a big one. I got that one. Now the next one I hauled is this Easter one. And you do get 24 double-sided, and this is also 6x6. Look at that, got beautiful flowers. This is super cute. Cut aparts. Look at that. The egg. You do get the little, what is it, like a light, is it like a peach? No, like a pinkish color. You got the carrots and a bunny. Look at that. You got the chocolate bunnies on this side. Love, love, love. I love this one. More card parts, but yeah. Nice paper pads. Oh, look at that. Real nice. I got that one also. Now the next one I got is Secret Garden. I hauled a lot of ephemera from American Crafts from the vault sale, and also got some from Office Supply, so I figured to get some paper pads to match to go with it, because I don't have a lot of spring and Easter. Let's look at this one. Look at that. How nice are those? Your books. Oh wow. Cut aparts. The keys. Look at all the flowers. Love that. The butterflies, and look at this background. That. Love, love, love. Look at that. Super pretty pads. Now, the Echo Park usually have warehouse sales almost every month, I think. So if you never bought from Echo Park, that will be the time to try them out if you never have. But that will be a good time, because it's only, I think these were $4. Yeah, these were $4, the 6x6. And then I also hauled this one. This is just essential, so that's just the colors that they have. That one, so I got that. And then I got another Easter one, which is this. Those are the papers that come in this one. This one's called Bunny and Baskets. I thought that was super cute. Now I do have a bee swap, so I got 2 of the bees. Look at the papers that come in that. Love, love, love. Now, I did get some chipboard accents on there, and the chipboard was $2. So that's a great deal. So to go with the spring and stuff paper pad, also got some Easter one. Look at that. That's bunnies. Got the car. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then, like I said, it's chipboard, so you can add to it. These are great for embellishments. And then I have another Easter one. I love the banner. But how nice are these? Love, love, love. Look at that. I also got a spring one. Love it. Love those. And then another Easter one. For $2 is a great price. Look at that. Got the bunny banner, family, Easter photos. Super cute. And then I also have, I believe this is a summer one. So this is Sunny Days. Welcome Spring. Oh, this is spring. So welcome spring. Watch me grow. I love spring. I'm waiting for spring. It's actually cold. So we had a fake summer here recently. So now we're back in reality. Now we're back into some semi-cold weather. And then let me show you these paper pads. I did get a few paper pads. And I also got some stickers. This should be the stickers. Yeah. So I got the Easter paper pad. And those are all the papers that come in there. And And of course I did pick up on some Valentine ones, so I have them in my stash for next year. So I got the love notes. I love love notes. And I did get Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is the paper pad that I use this year for crafting and making the air balloon banner. So, and I enter a few swaps using this one. I really love that paper pad. And then the love notes, I love red, pink, and blue together. Look at that. Super, super cute. Love those. And so yeah, and this one's Easter. And each paper, when you buy a paper kit, it does come with a sticker sheet and some cutter parts, plus regular papers. I got those. Those are the 3 kits, full kits I got. Now these are the stickers, so we'll look at the stickers to see what I got for those. And the stickers, I believe, were $2. Yes, $2 for the stickers. Now I like the stickers because you can put them on cardstock and make ephemera out of them, and you just cut around. Okay, so I did get the Flora one. Look at that. Oh, I love this paper pad. I have this paper pad. I got this one. And you do get some little like strips here that you could use for like belly bands. You got the, I love the like the banner stuff there. So I got that one. I did get a summer one. Love, love, love. And then look at the spring. This was a Hello Spring. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Look at that. Look at the birds and the kite. And even the bumblebee, the ladybug. Love it! And then I also have the springtime. Look at that. The gardening, planting flowers. Love, love, love. I love it. And then I also have the Easter. Look how cute the Easter is. Easter cuteness. Love, love, love. And of course I had to get some Valentine one. And this is Hello Valentine. I don't think they have the paper pad for this one. Now look at that. And I like it because you could match these stickers with other pads. And then this one is my favorite spring. I got, look at the ducky and the butterflies and the bees. Oh my goodness, I love it. So cute, so cute. And this is another Valentine one. This is My Valentine. Look at that. I love those. Real nice. This also has sentiments. You got some ice cream stuff. OMG. I love it. These are making my heart happy. Look at that. Okay, this is Easter. It's Easter time. Look at all that prettiness. Love it. I love it. Look at the basket. The rainbow. Bunny kisses is Easter wishes. So cute. So, so, so cute. And then I did get some love notes also. Look at this. This is so pretty. I just love, I love pink. I love pink, and I like it with the light blue. So gorgeous. And this one's Here Comes Easter. It sure is. Look at that. Oh, I love the balloon and the banner. I'm a sucker for banners, balloons. I'm a sucker for anything cute. And the last thing I have is another spring one, and this one here's called spring. Look at all that. Look at all that juiciness. Look at that. That is cute. But yeah, if you have never bought from Echo Park, this is the best place to at least get a kit during their sales, because you get a lot in their kit. The kit, you get the cardstock, and you do get a sticker sheet, which is one of these in there for usually $7.50. And then if you subscribe to their emails, they'll email you when they got kits at $5. And then during warehouse sales, which they have, I believe, almost every month, I think. I don't know how often, but you could find some good stuff for $2. I mean, these were $2. Some of them don't have any of the kits anymore, but hey, you could always mix and match with any other stuff there. But yeah, that is my Echo Park haul. I want to share with you of all the nice goodies. Do leave in a comment what is your favorite, what good and juicy things that you were able to grab. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.